He's fascinated with this lamp now. Aren't you? Yo. Doesn't even want to set up in his hoop no more. He wants to set up in that lamp. Yo. What do you say about? He's wrecking the place now.
Don't worry.
Don't worry. He put a picture off the side of the wall, wee small one.
What is that?
Aye, dead on.
Wait.
Don't. What are you doing?
Door.
No, you door.
Shut.
What? No, you door. Aye. Yeah, I hope you're ringing Jesus.
Hello?
Aye. Hello what? Hello what? We going?
Yeah.
Hey. Look at him.
Oh, shit.
Hey, you!
Shut up, Dick.
What am I going to do? Now really, what am I going to do? I need to call a priest.
Oh, it's so...
You're getting bathed in holy water.
What?
Aye. What are you being a wee rascal for?
Shut.
Shit. What am I going to do?
Shut up, Dick. Shut up, Dick.
You call me out one more time and I swear me and he's going to fall out.
What is that?
Aye. Do you hear? Tell you I mean it. You can clear your throat all you want. Huh?
People.
No, it wasn't Bebo. He's just being a wee rascal. Hey, look. See, he tries to get the picture off the wall. He's already knocked the small one down. Hmm. Look. What would you do with him? Now seriously, what would you do with him? For all sadism, he just has me tortured. Oh, God love you. Yo. Here we go now. Where do you want to go now?